Intrinsyc is a product development company that combines production-ready embedded computers based on industry-leading technology with world-class product development capabilities to enable rapid production of Internet of Things, also known as IoT products. Intrinsyc helps companies build the products of the future, designing and building innovative devices in several IoT vertical markets, such as smart homes, smart cities, industrial, automotive infotainment, wearables, and more.
Intrinsyc is a public company on the Toronto Stock Exchange, trading under the symbol ITC. Our headquarters are in Vancouver, British Columbia. Our Vancouver office is very much a diverse and multicultural environment with engineers from more than 20 countries, with many of them speaking multiple languages. We also support clients through our global engineering centers in Taipei, Taiwan, and Bangalore, India.
Intrinsyc has a variety of production-ready system-on-modules and single-board computers. Their high-quality design, small form factor, advanced technology, and robust software support provide the perfect platforms for creating high-performance IoT products.
Intrinsic's expertise spans all phases of product realization, including mechanical design, electrical design, platform, middleware, and application software development. Intrinsyc has unparalleled knowledge of processor technology and software development capabilities, which means we can solve the most complex problems and ensure your product gets to market on schedule.
Intrinsyc offers comprehensive concept to production capabilities. From start to finish, you can rely on a single source to deliver your product in an efficient manner. All Intrinsyc production is performed at fully certified facilities that follow respective environmental and safety standards, ensuring high-quality products. Our customers can be confident of superior device manufacturing and on-time delivery to meet their schedule requirements.
Intrinsyc has successfully delivered over 1,200 client projects and continues to be North America's product realization leader for high-performance, intelligent, connected products.